Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing and testing this new digital kitchen weighing scale. Let's see how accurate it is and how the Tare function works. So here's the box, let's open it. Inside we get the weighing scale, the manual, 2 batteries. We will insert this 2 AAA battery to power it on. Let's test it with something simple, a stapler. Placing it on the scale and yes, it's working perfectly. Now I'm trying this packet label 400 grams. The scale shows 415 grams, 15 grams more, which means the packaging weight is also included, pretty accurate. It also has the function of mode which converts the units, that is from gram to ounces. Ounces written as OZ is another unit of weight used in many countries like the US and UK. 1 ounce is roughly equal to 28.35 grams. So if your scale shows weight in ounces, you can easily switch back to grams using this mode button. This helps when following international recipes or weighing items for shipping. Next, let's weigh 2 lemons. It comes to 112 grams. Now I'm using a basket that weighs 36 grams. You see the weight here, right? I press the Tare button and becomes 0. Now I can weigh only the items placed inside without the basket weight being counted. How cool and useful is that? So this was a quick demo of the digital kitchen scale and Tare function. And yes, I shared the purchase link in the description box below, so do check it out if you're interested. If you found this helpful, do like, share and subscribe the channel.